Hi Stampers! Now I'm going to share with you my paper storage for 8.5 by 11 paper. They are stored in some wonderful cabinets. They're actually IKEA kitchen cabinets, and these are the pot drawers, which works fabulous for down here in the studio. So I'll just open up the first drawer. This is where I store my in-color paper. You can see that I've just printed on paper the names, and then I've punched them out with the classic label punch. Although Evening Evergreen is a little big, I should have shrunk that one. But anyways, I do have a template for that. And then all my cello bags, my envelopes, lunch bags, and my specialty papers are in here. So you'll find shimmer paper, the thick cardstock, I've got some vellum, magnetic sheets, all kinds of fun stuff. And then I keep my envelopes in the back and some shred and sponges here on the side. So there's lots of room in these drawers for my 8.5 by 11 paper. I also find it doesn't curve the paper from hanging in the file drawer. So let me show you the next one. So this is where all the main papers are stored. I do store them in alphabetical order just to make it easier for me to jump in and find what I need. Some of you might want to do this in color coordinating order, but I do only keep what's current in the Stampin' Up! Catalog because there's always so many fun colors that I just want to use what's in the catalog because it'll coordinate with all the embellishments and everything else that's within. The labels, I just use the color chart and cut it up to make my labels. That's something that's available to Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. If you're not one, you should consider signing up because there's a great deal on right now until the end of May. Just message me and let me know whether or not you're interested and I can give you more details. But these drawers, again, they're so big that I have room to keep extra gifts. And this is where I keep extra teen gifts to kind of throw in to various packages. I hope you enjoyed that paper storage. Let me know if you have questions. I'd love to see how you store your paper, so please in the comments below, take a picture and post and share how you store your paper. We can all inspire each other. Thanks, have a great day.